As-salamu alaikum. Friends, ready to hear some super cool facts about Islam? Let's go on a magical journey to learn just how awesome our religion really is. Did you know the Quran has 114 chapters and was revealed over 23 years? It's the only book in the world that millions of people have memorized, word for word, even kids as young as 5 or 6. That's called becoming a hafiz, and it's an amazing blessing from Allah. Bismillah, which means, in the name of Allah. Here's a tiny phrase with huge power. Muslims say it before eating, studying, traveling, almost anything. When you say Bismillah, Allah helps make things easy and full of barakah, that means blessing. So next time you eat a cookie, say Bismillah first. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the kindest person ever. He even told us stories about showing mercy to animals. Once, a thirsty dog was given water by a man, and Allah forgave all his sins. Subhanallah. That's how much kindness matters in Islam. Wanna know the first word Allah revealed in the Quran? It was Iqra. That means read. Islam encourages us to seek knowledge and ask questions and keep learning forever. So keep reading, learning, and dreaming big. Muslims live in every single country on earth, over 2 billion people. That means you have brothers and sisters in Islam from Africa, Asia, America, all over the globe. And we all say, As-salamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Tell us in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Muslims Academy.